Good morning. Muy buenos días. And welcome, everybody. We are so pleased to be here today. Myself, Councilmember Mike Bonin. And we're here today to let Angelenos know some changes that are afoot on speed limits throughout Los Angeles. We have a state law that requires all of us to survey our streets to make sure that our speed limits are up to date. Some streets might be too slow, some streets might be too fast, some streets may stay the same. But for our great police officers who ensure the safety of our families, of our children, we need to make sure that that happens every year. And we want Angelenos to know about those speed limits so they can abide by them. We want you to always drive with care and realize that you can save lives. It's in your hands. We are here today to talk about the part that every driver plays in making LA streets safer for all residents. Right here on Washington Boulevard, we have both an elementary school and a public library. Just think about all the people and all the children who cross that crosswalk up the street every single day. Our principal here, Linda Guzman at St. Paul Elementary, says she worries about her students. She worries about cars going too fast. She worries about that there might not be enough time for a speeding driver to stop when a child is in the crosswalk. And so today, we are addressing those concerns. We are addressing them not just here in Mid-City, but throughout this great Los Angeles, from the San Fernando Valley down to our harbor, from the Pacific Ocean to the East Side. And LA's new speed limits will help slow drivers down, help LAPD enforcement to step up to remind Angelenos the rules of the road. And parents and principals alike can rest easier knowing that this stretch of Washington, like streets across LA, will finally be safer.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you for being here today for what is really a very important announcement to address one of the major steps the City of Los Angeles is taking to address one of the biggest public health crises in Los Angeles. Traffic collisions, traffic fatalities are one of the biggest threats to public health and safety in Los Angeles, and Vision Zero is the way we address that. It is the way we get to preserve life. It's the way we preserve health and safety. We are absolutely committed to making sure that our children are safe while they're at school. We need to be equally committed to making sure that they're safe on their way to school. For a couple years now, it has been a near obsession of Department of Transportation, of the mayor, and of my council colleagues to get these speed surveys updated so we can start doing genuine enforcement in the city of Los Angeles.